Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing this look right here, this really pretty pink wedding look for brides or bridesmaids, but specifically for wedding makeup. So if you want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. It is just an eye routine, and so I will leave a link to my other wedding video where I show like my full face and everything, because I did pretty much the same thing. But yeah, if you want to see how I create this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so for today's video, we're going to be using this Naked 3 palette. It's a beautiful palette for weddings. My last wedding look was more just that neutral, kind of soft smoky eye. This is going to be more, I've worn this look a couple times. It's going to be more blush toned. We're just going to be using some of these colors. It's really beautiful. So we're just going to dive into that. So I always start by priming my lids. Lately I've just been using concealer. So this is just the Maybelline Fit Me one that I have. And just pat it on. And then I will go in with some translucent setting powder to set them. So I'm just using the Too Faced Peach Perfect one that I've been using for a while now. And so I'm just going to be doing the eyes on camera today because for the face it's pretty much the same as the last video I did. And you can switch out like the highlighter or blush or whatever and kind of cater it to what you like. But that's what I would do for the same, for the face. I just use the same base. So you've seen me do pretty much the same routine so many times with my face, so I'm just going to be showing the eyes today. And guys, look at how long my hair is. It's like, it's getting close to my waist. I haven't had it this long in like a long time. Okay, so we're going to be starting off with the shade, if I can read these. Wow, they're so faded. Okay, so we're going to be starting with the shade Limit, excuse me, which is this shade right here. It's just a really soft, dusty pink color, and we're going to be using that as the transition shade. Okay, next we're going to go into the shade Nooner, sorry. The lettering is like really faded. So Nooner is just a little bit of a darker, kind of more purpley, cool tone color. I'm just going to use that to deepen up the crease. And then we're going to go into the shade Dark Side, which is the second to darkest shade, and we're just going to deepen it up even more and really just focus it on the outer corner. You don't want to bring it like too high or anything. Brush over and just drag it over just a little bit, like very lightly. You don't want it to get too dark. You can kind of just start to bring some of that over. And you can kind of just make it as dark as you'd like. If you don't like super dark makeup, then just keep it at this or even lighter. So you can deepen it up just a little bit with the same Dark Side shade. Next, I'm going to be switching brushes to a more flat brush from Morphe. I'm going to spray it with some setting spray. And I'm going to go into the shade Dust. It's just this beautiful shimmery pink color. And we're going to be popping that on the lid. transition these two shades. I'm going to take the shade Burnout, which is the one right next to it. It's just a little darker of a pink, and it's not quite as like sparkly. It's more just like a subtle shimmer. Grab the MAC 217 brush that I was using before and just kind of blend right here just so there's a nice transition. And I'm going to pick up Nooner. And I'm going to go back into Dark Side and just deepen it up just a little bit more. Just grabbing kind of a fluffy flat brush. I'm going to be taking the shade, I don't know what it says, Stranger, I think. Anyway, the first white shade, I'm going to use that to highlight the brow bone. Then we're just going to curl our lashes. Actually, first, I'm gonna grab the darkest shade called Blackout. It's kind of like a purpley, sparkly color right there. I'm just gonna do like a little bit of a liner. So now we're going to curl our lashes and apply some mascara. And for mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I've been really liking this mascara, way better than the past couple mascaras I've had. Look at the difference. Makeup and lashes, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with my face makeup done and the lashes on. So we're just going to finish up with the lower lash line. So I'm going to be taking that shade Dust and popping that in the inner corner. You could also use just like a more like opal pearl color, but I don't know, I just think it looks really pretty, so I'm just going to use that one, and then just repeating the same shades. I'm just going to be taking Nooner and Dark Side on my lower lash line. Okay, and then we're just going to pop some mascara on the lower lash line, or the lower lashes. And always wear waterproof mascara on your wedding day. Or every day. But especially your wedding day and any special event. So for lips, I'm just going to be taking my MAC lip pencil and hover, and be lining my lips with that. First, we're going to take the shade, let's see, Peach Buff from Maybelline, and just make it a little lighter. It smells really good, actually. And then I'm going to top it off with a gloss. This is Aquarius from Colourpop, which I'm almost out of. But it's a beautiful gloss. And there you have it. Alright, so this is the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful if you are trying to think of a look for your wedding day, or if you're a makeup artist and need some inspiration for what to do on your clients and stuff. I hope you found it helpful, and I think this is just such a beautiful and elegant look. I feel like it's still pretty timeless because it's not like really pink, it's just such a subtle soft pink. And I actually did a soft pink shimmer on my bride's eye yesterday. We used a soft pink with like some browns and stuff. It was really pretty. So it can be so beautiful and timeless. So I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. And be sure to follow me on Instagram and my blog, lifewithabbie.com. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!